Tanzania's got some fresh millet spray, huh, Tans? Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock at night. She's hungry, so she decided to just go ahead and do a little foraging and help herself. Spent the day just sunning herself, didn't you? Just kind of chilling, taking it easy. We went for a ride in the Beamer, did a little shopping, did a lot of talking. And I came here to just kind of chill out, have a little misting. Hi. Get a nice little birdie bath in the aviary. Huh, Tanzania? You're such a good bird. What? Daddy Birdie had to go to the valley and take care of his mom, which is responsible. It's what you're supposed to do when you're a good son, huh, Tanzania? He's a good Daddy Birdie, isn't he? Very good bird. Very good bird.